Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about introduction of BJT, or you can say transistor. So what is BJT? Bipolar junction transistor. Transistor is a three-layer semiconductor device consisting of either 2n and 1p type layers of material, or 2p and 1n type layer of material. First of all, this is our NPN transistor, because NPN transistor have 2N and 1 P type layer. Or second one is PNP transistor, because PNP transistor have 2P and 1N type material. So there are two types of BJT. First is PNP transistor and second is NPN transistor. So next is NPN and PNP structure. Types of BJT: first is NPN, second is PNP. So this is the simple structure of the BJT. In each transistor, following points to be noted. First point, there are two junctions, so transistor can be considered as two diode connected back to back. When two diode connected back to back, then we have to made transistor. Second point, there are three terminals like emitter, base and collector. Third point, the middle section is thin than other. Naming of transistor terminals. Transistor has three sections of doped semiconductor. The section one side is called emitter, opposite side is called collector, and middle section is called base. So this is the simple structure of, or you can say symbol of, transistor. Function of emitter: the section of one side that supplies carriers is called emitter. Emitter is always forward bias with respect to base, so it can supply carrier. It is very important point. Next point, for NPN transistor, emitter supply holes to its junction. For PNP transistor, emitter supply electron to its junction. It is very important point. NPN transistor, emitter supply holes to its junction, and we have to use, suppose PNP transistor, then emitter supply electron to its junction. Second point is collector. What are the functions of collector in BJT? First point, the section on the other side that collects carrier is called collector. The collector is always reverse bias with respect to base. It is very important point. Next, NPN transistor collector receives hole to its junction, and for an PNP transistor collector receives electron to its junction. So both are important point. First is, suppose that NPN transistor, then collector receives hole to its junction, and suppose PNP transistor, then collector receives electron to its junction. Last point, base. The middle section which form two PN junction between emitter and collector is called base. So in this video we have to learn about symbol of BJT, working of three terminals of BJT like emitter, base and collector. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.